In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slow motion in CapCut. To get started, open CapCut in your web browser and then open a project that already contains a video clip. If your project is stored online, give it a moment to fully appear on screen. It's important to wait until everything has loaded properly so the editing tools respond smoothly and your timeline is ready to use. Once the project is open, go down to the timeline and click directly on the video clip you want to slow down. After clicking it, make sure the clip is actually selected. This matters because CapCut only shows clip-specific editing options when the correct media is highlighted. If the clip is selected, you should be able to work with its settings in the editing controls. Next, look over to the right side editing panel. This is where CapCut places many of the clip adjustment tools. In that panel, click on Speed. After you do that, wait briefly for the Speed panel to open. When it appears, confirm that the Normal tab is selected. This is the standard speed adjustment mode, and it's the one you'll use for a simple, even slow motion effect across the entire clip. Now in the Basic section, find the Speed slider. This slider controls how fast or slow your selected video clip will play. To create slow motion, drag the speed slider to the left. Keep dragging until the speed goes below 1x. Any value under 1x will slow the clip down, and the lower the number, the more dramatic the slow motion effect becomes. As you move the slider, pay attention to the updated speed value. This gives you a clear measurement of how much the clip has been slowed down. Also, review the updated clip duration. When you reduce the speed, the clip becomes longer because it takes more time to play. That's completely normal, and it's a helpful way to confirm that the slow motion setting has been applied. After setting the speed, click the play button to preview the effect. Watch the clip carefully and review the slow motion playback. This preview helps you decide whether the movement looks natural and whether the pacing fits what you want. If needed, go back and adjust the speed slider again. Small changes can make a big difference, especially if you're trying to create a smooth and subtle slow motion look instead of an extreme effect. Once the playback looks right and the motion is clearly slowed down, you can confirm that the video is now playing in slow motion. And that's how to create slow motion in CapCut.